2 or 3 places you might retire to. One is cheaper, but far from the grandchildren. One is warm, but the insurance quote was frightening. One has a wonderful hospital and 6 months of winter. Every best places to retire list ranks these for an average retiree who does not exist. This workbook ranks them for you. Here is the part most homemade spreadsheets get wrong. 8 of these 10 criteria run the ordinary way. A closer hospital is better. More family nearby is better. But 2 of them run the other way. A lower cost of living is better. A lighter tax bill is better. Type a 1 to 5 rating for those, and you are inventing an exchange rate between dollars and a 5-point scale in favor of the place you already wanted. So this workbook computes them instead. It starts with a reference table covering all 50 states and the District of Columbia, whether the state taxes Social Security, whether it taxes pension and 401k withdrawals, the effective property tax rate, sales tax, estate and inheritance tax, and a cost of living index, every column sourced and dated. Pick a state from the drop-down, and the lookups happen for you. Then the cost of living tab builds the number that actually matters. Not the house price, which you pay once, but the year. Property tax at that state's own rate, insurance, association fees, utilities, everyday spending, Medicare, state taxes, the trips back to see everybody, and the one-time cost of moving, spread across your planning horizon, one comparable annual figure per place. On the decision scorecard, you set a weight for each criterion, by how much it matters to your household. Then you rate each place on the 8 judgment criteria. The top 2 rows fill themselves in from the money. Your cheapest candidate scores a 5, your priciest scores a 1, and everything in between lands on the real size of the gap. Results and ranking gives you the order, the margin, and the sentence that usually settles it. What choosing your best scoring place over your cheapest one costs per year and across your whole horizon. In our example, about $1,800 a year to be 20 minutes from the grandchildren. Once you can see that number, the decision is usually obvious. One column should always be staying exactly where you are, scored as ruthlessly as the others. It is the only candidate whose costs, doctors, and friendships you already know for certain, and the only one that pays no moving cost at all. It wins these comparisons more often than people expect. If nothing beats it, that is a result, not a failure of nerve. You own the file outright. No login, no subscription, no relocation service steering you toward the developments that pay them. 8 tabs, 4 guides, Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice. Yours to keep and to rerun in 3 years when something changes. From Ardent Workshop.